Do online news platforms and citizen journalism through social media messages enable capturing the pulse of the society about its citizens and their concerns, suggestions, and complaints about well-being of the city's infrastructure, landscape, architecture, and heritage? Yes, well, quite. But the challenge is, from millions of messages and news in real time, how to effectively provide this information to the policymakers to address these concerns. We present City Optics, a solution.
Our solution pays particular attention to GDEL's quotation graph, which compiles quoted statements in worldwide news coverage. Quotations, textual fragments that are reported as spoken by someone, are considered an important piece of information since it is more authentic, credible, and reliable.
We analyze the text stream from GDELT by industrial strength SPACY natural language processing toolkit, providing us with accurate and efficient named entity recognition, such as names of persons, locations, organizations, and even currency. Next, we also harness TextBlob's powerful sentiment and subjectivity analyzer to assign scores to various textual pieces, enabling the policymakers to evaluate the emotional gravity of the content, at the same time assessing whether the concerns affect some individuals more than others. Our mighty backend comprises of Elasticsearch and several of our Python scripts hosted on a cloud platform performing real-time analytics every few minutes. Our front end, developed in Kibana, provides a hefty dashboard empowering policymakers to observe, search, query, and analyze data in real time with its highly interactive interface. Several panels enable policymakers to view different aspects of the data. For example, the top left panel shows the timeline of content arrival of our current sample of over 3 million news articles. It permits zooming in to observe day by day, or hour by hour, or even minute by minute arrival. Next, the panel visualize via word cloud interface the occurrences of named entities found in various text segments. For example, this panel displays the named entity occurrences in titles of the news articles. This one shows the named entities occurred in quotations. This one shows those occurred in text preceding a quotation, and this one shows those occurred in the text succeeding a quotation. Such NER analysis endows the policymakers with a prism to monitor and weigh the importance of the content shared by the citizens. This panel visualizes the location names mentioned in the content. GPE locations are countries, cities, and town names. LOC locations are other locations mentioned, such as water bodies, lakes, rivers, mountain ranges, etc. FAC locations are building names, airports, highways, and bridges. This visualization helps policymakers to pay attention to specific locations in designing new policies or updating the existing ones. We have also a VR interface enabling an immersive and interactive user interface to our system.